Phrasal Verbs Quiz, test your mastery. Are you ready to take your phrasal verb knowledge to the next level? Let's put your skills to the test with a challenging phrasal verbs quiz. I'll be presenting you with 10 phrasal verbs, each with a brief context or sentence. Your task is to provide the correct meaning or definition of the phrasal verb. For an added challenge, I'll also give you multiple choices, and you'll have to pick the right one. But don't worry, I'll provide the answers at the end, so you can check your understanding and learn from any mistakes. Quiz begins. Phrasal verb, to break down. Context, the car broke down on the highway, and we had to call for assistance. Multiple choice options. A. To fail or stop working. B. To analyze in detail. C. To start crying. 1. Phrasal verb, to break down. Correct answer, A. To fail or stop working. 2. Phrasal verb, to look up to. Context, she really looks up to her older sister as a role model. A. To search for information. B. To admire and respect someone. C. To stare upwards. 2. Phrasal verb, to look up to. Correct answer, B. To admire and respect someone. 3. Phrasal verb, to make up. Context, I couldn't make up a good excuse for being late to work. A. To invent or fabricate something. B. To apply makeup. C. To settle a disagreement. 3. Phrasal verb, to make up. Correct answer, A. To invent or fabricate something. 4. Phrasal verb, to hang out. Context, the friends often hang out at the local cafe after school. A. To spend time in a relaxed way. B. To display something. C. To wait patiently. 4. Phrasal verb, to hang out. Correct answer, A. To spend time in a relaxed way. 5. Phrasal verb, to cut off. Context, the storm caused power lines to be cut off, leaving many without electricity. A. To interrupt or stop the supply. B. To shorten hair or fabric. C. To drive very quickly. 5. Phrasal verb, to cut off. Correct answer, A. To interrupt or stop the supply. 6. Phrasal verb, to take after. Context, John takes after his father in both looks and personality. A. To follow someone. B. To resemble someone. C. To receive something from someone. 6. Phrasal verb, to take after. Correct answer, B. To resemble someone. 7. Phrasal verb, to run into. Context, I ran into my old classmate at the grocery store yesterday. A. To meet someone by chance. B. To physically collide with someone. C. To encounter a problem. 7. Phrasal verb, to run into. Correct answer, A. To meet someone by chance. 8. Phrasal verb, to put off. Context, I kept putting off cleaning my room until it became a mess. A. To delay or postpone something. B. To turn something on. C. To make someone feel uncomfortable. 8. Phrasal verb, to put off. Correct answer, A. To delay or postpone something. 9. Phrasal verb, to get over. Context: it took me a long time to get over my fear of public speaking. A. To recover from an illness. B. To overcome a problem or difficulty. C. To travel across something. 9. Phrasal verb, to get over. Correct answer, B. To overcome a problem or difficulty. 10. Phrasal verb, to bring up. Context: my parents brought me up to be respectful to others. A. To raise or rear a child. B. To mention or introduce a topic. C. To vomit or regurgitate. 10. Phrasal verb, to bring up. Correct answer, A. To raise or rear a child. Thanks for watching my channel. If you feel this benefited you, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you'll not miss my videos.